birthday. May God fill your heart with joy and love for all the years to come. Enjoy your senior citizens discounts. Love you.
Happy birthday, Judge. Surprise ka, no? Ako din po, na-surprise. Nung nag-message si Ate Cathy na magbigay ng video message for your 60th birthday. Nagulat ako na, 60 na pala si Judge noon. But I know you still look the same way you did the first time I saw you, like more than a decade ago. You know why? Because you are one of the coolest judges I know. Isa yan sa mga natutunan ko kay Judge, yung maging cool lang and to always have the most important thing, integrity. I hope po that one day we will see each other again, maybe have a reunion with the staff, and I wish you good health more than anything else, and that you will enjoy your double citizenship. Happiest birthday again, Judge!
Happy birthday, Judge! Ayan ha, kahit pinayak mo ko nung OIC mo ko sa branch 29, love pa rin kita. Thank you for your friendship. Salamat. Thank you for being my mentor. Hindi ko yan nakakalimutan. Happy birthday. Sana hindi ka magkakasakit. Yan ang wish ko sa'yo.
Hi, Nino. Happy 60th birthday. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan nito. Love na love ka namin. Sana wag mo rin kami kakalimutan. Lagi pa rin tayong magkikita-kita kahit anong mangyari.
Happy birthday, Leon! Oh, Judge Don, happy 60th. All the best always. And balita ko, you've been doing very well. So keep up the good work. And I hope you will be very happy with your service in our judiciary. Maraming salamat sa mga serbisyo mo para sa judiciary at para sa taong bayan. Okay. Ay, bago ko makalimutan, yung clerk of court mo, kailangan namin yan. So, payagan mo lagi sa practices. Thank you, Justice. Attorney Romel, okay? Anyway, again, Judge Don, happy birthday and all the best always. God bless.
Judge, happy birthday po. Nasa inyo na lahat. Ano pa ba i-wish namin sa inyo kundi good health and long life. Happy birthday po, Judge, and have a good day.
Hi, Judge. Happy 60th birthday. And ang wish ko lang para sa inyo is good health, long life, and happiness, Judge. Genuine happiness. Magpahaba pa kayo ng buhay. Mag-iingat kayo palagi para pagbalik ko at may bakante pa dyan sa 11, ikaw pa rin ang Judge. Miss na miss ko na kayo ng sobra. Sobra talaga, Judge. Yun, nakakalungkot sa celebration na ganyan. Wala ako. Walang Shanghai, Judge. Pero, yun. Enjoy kayong lahat, Judge. Sobrang namimiss ko kayong lahat dyan sa 11. Payaka po. Happy birthday, Judge. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Tito. Love you po.
Hi, Don. Happy birthday. And many more to come, Balong. Okay? Take care. Bye for now.
Hi, Insan! Kumusta? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Magiging senior citizen ka na rin. Welcome to the group.
Yeah.
Tito Don, happy birthday po. Thank you po kasi bumabawi po kayo sa oras sa amin, sa mga advice nyo sa amin. Thank you kasi kayo po yung inspiration at saka motivation ng mga pamangkin nyo. Masyado nyo pong tinaas yung standard kaya nag-i-strive kami ng mas matindi-tindi. Enjoy nyo po yung araw nyo.
See you soon.
Kine-consider po namin kayo na the best Montero kaya sana po ma-enjoy nyo yung birthday nyo. God bless po dito. Love you po.
Love you too! Happy birthday, Kuya! I love you! Ayan na! Parating na ang iyong
ano tawag mo doon? Pension. Magpe-pension na si Tito. 60 years old. I love you, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Tito Don!
Stay ko na nastig.
Rock and roll!
Happy birthday sa paborito kong kuya. Sana lahat ng gusto mo pang marating at gusto mo pang mapuntahang lugar ay makarating ka nga. Ingatan ka lagi ng Ama. At alam mo na happy kami dahil nabibigyan mo kami ngayon ng oras. Mas mahigpit ang yakap mo sa amin. Alam mo na mahal ka namin, Kuya. Sana yung wish ko na magkasama-sama pa rin tayo sa pagdating ng panahon ng mga mahal mo sa buhay ay matupad. Yun pa rin ang panalangin ko, Kuya. I love you. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Hello, Kuya. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Oh, malapit na. Konting kembot na lang. Malapit ka ng sumahod sa gobyerno. Happy birthday! May libre ka ng sine every Tuesday. Pag senior citizen. Pero hindi pa. Ilang years pa. Happy birthday! Sana humaba pa ang buhay natin para makita pa natin ang ating mga magiging apo. Tsaka makapag-spend muna tayo ng mga time together. Hope to see you soon. Nalapit na. I love you. Ingat ka palagi. Tsaka ako na ulit ang favorite mo. For sure. I love you. Bye-bye. Ganyan pala. Love you. Happy birthday. Casper. Happy birthday, Tito. Happy birthday, Tito.
Kuya Don, in behalf of my family, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Sana maging masaya at maganda ang araw na ito para sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal at suporta mo sa amin. I wish you all the best on your special day. Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Don. Mabuhay ka.
Hi, Kuya! Happy 60th birthday! See you soon! See you soon sa Cebu. Oh, doon ka raw niya kukulitin. Promise!
Happy birthday pa! Hi, Tito Don! Happy 60th birthday! We love you! We can't wait to see you again!
See you soon, Philippines!
Yeah! Happy birthday!
Sa pinakapoging kuya ko! Pinakapoging kuya ko! Happy birthday, kuya!
Happy birthday, Don. Hey, Ading Don, happy birthday! Welcome to the club. Hintayin mo ang pagbalik ko at mag-road trip ulit tayo, ha? Alright! Happy birthday ulit, Insan.
Okay.
Kuya Don, happy birthday po. Seryoso naman po tayo ngayon. Sa pinakapoging kuya ko, happy birthday, kuya. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. At alam ko namang mabait ka na ngayon, kuya eh. Kaya love na love kita. Happy birthday, kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya Don.
Hello, Kuya! From your family here in Australia, we wish you a happy 60th birthday. Kuya, together with these greetings, I'll be sending you some of your photos and videos while you were here in Australia so you could see yourself doing this. And also, stick being a judge and don't attempt to be a DIY person or engage in building constructions because you're pretty useless. So stay being a judge. And we wish you all the best, good health,
And sana makabalik ka ulit dito mas maraming beses. Wag sa Canada, wag kay Joe, okay? Peace.
Tito, I miss you here in Australia, especially when you're holding the car rail and putting a hole in the floor of the car when I'm driving. We miss you, Tito. Come back. You know you love Australia, so come back. We love you, po.
Hello, Kuya. First of all, I just would like to thank you for visiting us here in Australia. And with that amount of time, we got to know you much better. And we love your presence with us. I really wish you a happiest birthday. 60 is just a number. What's important is you don't look like your age. So many more blessings to come, and we wish you good health and the happiness that you deserve and you wish. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hep hep.
Hep hooray! Kumante! Bye-bye.
God, happy birthday.
Ayusan!
Congregation of Las Marias.
Happy 60th birthday.
Okay, Anggal.
Enjoy, Uncle.
Wedon. Happy birthday.
Alright.
Happy birthday. This is your special day. I hope this day will be filled with joy and laughter. Not only on your birthday, but for the rest of your life. Sana dumalaw ka uli rito sa Bicol para mas matagal tayong magsama, maglaro ng golf. At muli, maligayang pagbati sa iyong karawan.
Happy birthday, Don. My eldest son, who is a lawyer and a judge. I want you to succeed in your life like all of my children, that they will follow you. My second to the youngest son is with me now. He's smiling because I am talking in English. He was the one who told me to talk to you in English. Tagalog sana. Kagaya nito.
Tagalog o Ilocano?
Pero Ilocano. Pero haan man lang ganun turutak man lang yung baganan. I have lived longer because of my stay here in the Bicol region. I'm with my loving son.
Birthday ni Kuya Don. Anong wish niyo sa kanya?
Don, happy birthday, anak. You seem to forget me, but I cannot forget it's your birthday now. Please include me in your prayers as I include all of you, all of my children in my prayers.
Additional tips. For Kuya Don and for you.
Do not add some more checks in your packet.
About you.
Do not follow me.
Final word.
I am ashamed to follow my footsteps when I was younger, because I am with my son who is very bright.
Hi, Kuya Don. Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday to
San, happy birthday. Bye.